This 2023 Newmar Kountry Star 4011 is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, FL 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This new Newmar is 40 feet 10 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Ansel Decor, Toffee Glazed Maple Hardwood interior, sleeps 4, awning, TV, water heater, auxiliary battery, leveling jacks, skylight, microwave, stovetop burner, self-contained, slide-out, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom, rear entertainment, 2 entry, exit doors. This 2023 Newmar Kountry Star 4011 is built on a Freightliner XC-Series chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.